أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
First أعوذ بالله read.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Okay. Okay. What is this hadith we was read yesterday? Righteousness is a good attitude.
Good attitude.
Yeah. Okay, next one is hadith. This hadith read now. You can read it.
Actions are but by intention.
Actions are but by intentions. Yeah. Okay, and next one is we will read this hadith yesterday and before hadith finish. This hadith, what's today's lesson? What's our today's lesson in hadith? This one, action are but by intentions. Can you this one read yesterday? And no?
What?
Okay, this one start now. Start it.
Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intention. 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 Actions are but by intentions. 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 Actions are but by intentions.
And this one, this hadith?
Righteousness is a good attitude.
Yeah, righteousness is a good attitude. Don't forget any hadith. Modesty, al-haya is branch of faith. Okay, hijab is step of haya. Okay, hijab and scarf also you use. Okay, yeah, everywhere, anytime. Yeah, okay. Modesty is haya is branch of faith. Okay, modesty, haya. Okay, yeah. Before this don't hate one another. Okay, this hadith also read with me. Don't hate one another. Yeah. And before
do not hate one another.
Don't envy one another. Envy means jealous. Okay, can you revise with your mom yesterday?
What?
Okay, this hadith read now, please.
No. Do not become angry. Supplication is worship.
Continue.
Supplication is worship. Do not become angry.
Okay, mashallah, good reading. And today we will start new hadith. New hadith is This one. It's all hadith and new hadith. Righteousness is a good attitude we was completed. And next one is actions are but by intentions. It's new, I think.
We already learned that.
Yeah, continue this. Repeat, please.
Actions are but by intentions.
Hmm. Hmm. Carefully, carefully.
Actions are but by intentions.
Okay. Now you can tell me this Qaida lesson from the beginning.
Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, ka, dal, zal, ra, and a.
After the raw,
I-D-K.
from the beginning again.
Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim,
After the
ha.
ba, what letter?
Alif, ba, ta, tha.
Nice.
Jim, ha, ka, ha, ka, dal, zal.
Next.
Ra,
From the beginning again.
ha,
Alif.
da, ka.
From the beginning.
Okay. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, ka, dal, zal, and ra.
Again, don't stop. Again, read it. It's a practice.
Alif, ba, ta, jim, ha, ka.
You are reading without carefully. Also yesterday, also today. Carefully read.
Alif, ba, ta, tha. Alif, ba, ta, tha, ka. Jim, ha, ka, dal, zal, and ra.
After the raw, which letter? After the raw, this one.
The ra.
It's za. 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 It's za. What is this? It's za.
Za.
Yeah, repeat it. Za, 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 za. Don't stop. Don't stop, don't stop. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, Nadine. Okay, continue please. My favorite student Nadine, this one continue. Don't stop. Hurry up.
Ra.
No, it's not ra, it's za. It's za. What it is?
Za.
You are looking where? You are not looking during lesson on screen. Why? It's not a good. During reading another side's looking is not allowed. Continue, hurry up.
Ra.
Where is ra? It's ra. You are doing where? What are you doing?
Nothing.
I can't see you now.
Could it fall?
I can't see you.
Because it falls.
Yeah, carefully. Good student. Please carefully. It's not a ra. It's za. Yeah, continue. It's za. Don't stop. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر